let's now jump up to products. I'm going to click on view all. So you've been doing great. You've added up a whole bunch of products, which is awesome. Let's click on view more. We see here, let's click on just kitchen. Okay. So with your products, you have the ability to create a product title. You can write a description and you can link and add a price. In this case, we've got the product title, kitchen, but what is kitchen? Is it a kitchen ornament? Is it, so we want to be specific. What is this specifically? What's the product name?
That's one of our mushroom plaques.
Mushroom plaque. So kitchen mushroom plaque. Do the full title. And then a couple sentences again. Are you looking for something to decorate your kitchen or add a little oomph? Here's a kitchen mushroom plaque. And then you have the price, which is good, the price range. And then if I click on this, it should bring me right to your page. So we've got to check them. It might have moved. You could have switched the product category or something. That's not a problem. Let's go back. So check all of these because right there, we could miss someone. Let's click again. Top 50 crosses. Okay, again, what kinds of crosses? Celtic crosses, all that kind of stuff. Let's put the keywords in there, what people are looking for. Here's why. These actually do get indexed by Google. So if someone is looking for Celtic cross, now we just created a product, and this helps us get what we call a discovery search. So if someone's typing in Celtic cross, we have a chance of showing up for our Google business profile. And I'm just going to test it. Okay. Check all of them. I won't do it again. Check all of them. Now with your products too, let's see, view more.
Yeah, it's pulling over my collections. And so I'm not sure.
That's okay.
It's been a while since we've played in Google My Business.
Yep. Check it again. You also have these other categories. So McHarp, crosses with meaning, Heart of Eden is your other line. So you've got the soaps, decorative soap, which is good. Same thing, right? And what would behoove you really is with these different products, like you have McHarp crosses with meaning, I would like to see different categories. So if you can break your crosses into subcategories, it just makes more sense. It organizes it better. This is time staking. And for anyone watching, this is like, of course, if we all had 50 hours in the day, this would be easy, but this is, it's going to be worth your time. And even if you get your daughters on it, definitely worth your time. So where we have like ornaments here, we want to split those up into ornaments, right? Or plaques. So we want to do those different. But the more products you put out, basically, have you seen the movie Forrest Gump? Right? So I want you to think about when he's on the shrimp boat and imagine he's using a little butterfly net at first. You're bigger than a butterfly net. Most people might have one or two products on their business profile. You've got more, but you want to get that wide net so that you become that shrimp millionaire like Forrest. Same kind of thing. We want to put as many products as we can because then we're actually going to be able to grab all those sales, all those shrimp.